Jackson 5, one of them's here. Come here, man. Come here, man.
We'll talk.
No, he's coming in now.
We'll talk to
Come here, man. I'm the boss. Come here, man. We ain't talking. Time for us black folks to unite and help our brothers.
Yeah, we are. Ali, can we finish this interview?
Yeah, we can finish, but they're going to stand right here while we finish. Squat down so you can see how pretty you is.
As always.
Some pretty brothers.
Look, let me
We're going to unite to help the black people.
All right, can we?
We time for us to unite. We've been separated too long.
All right.
Jackson 5 and Muhammad Ali will fill any place in the world. We get Flip Wilson, we get the Barry White, we get Spinners, we get Aretha Franklin, we get Stevie Wonder, and we're going to donate our services to help our brothers. Ain't that right? Let me hear a hand. Let me hear a hand. Let them know you with them.
I want to ask you
Am I serious? I'm going to fight a free title fight for nothing. And now these cats can sing, man.
And tell me this. Now that we've gotten that over,
let's get it on.
I want to ask you, let's go into this other area that I think is really important. Right now, there's gross unemployment throughout the country, okay? You're talking about concerts, you're talking about getting the money from
I
all
want to say
over
one
the
more
place.
thing. I told them to come in on the bus, a couple of brothers said, we can't solve the whole problem. We got unemployment. It would take billions of dollars. We can't draw enough money to solve the problem. All we want to do is to put tension on the thing and unite. Get all of our people together. The Barry White, the Temptations, the Supremes, the Jackson 5. I'm going to fight a free title fight because I'm starting it, and I got to give up something. I'm going to give $2 million of my money to it, and it's time for us to unite. All black people will say that we not together. It's time for us to help ourselves.
Before?
Because we never even thought about this. We never thought this way. Due to the teachings of Ahmed Elijah Muhammad and the Muslim religion, I think this way. And I'm going to give up mine. All I'm saying is that from here on, all singers, all boxers will be put on the spot. They're going to have to do something. We're going to leave a monument for our people.
Let me ask Michael something. Michael, you've heard all this. What do you say?
Michael don't have nothing to say. Hold it. I don't want them. If they want to talk, they can.
You don't
they
have
haven't
to
talked
speak
to the
if you don't want
managers.
to.
They haven't talked to the advisors, and they're with it. But I got to make sure the bosses are with it. In respect to the managers and the father who guides them.
Oh, it's not totally.
We have to know. We've been talking to them, and we getting their hearts together.
All right, then I can understand that. Let's move this to other point then. When you decided not to, you're going to promote too, huh?
I'm the boss.
You're the boss.
I'll go beside your head.
A whole lot. Look,